Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In the concrete jungle of urban environments, finding space for gardening may seem like a challenge. However, with the rising popularity of urban gardening, there are numerous innovative ideas to transform even the smallest urban spaces into thriving greenhouses. In this video, we shall explore creative urban gardening ideas that will inspire and empower you to bring the beauty of nature into your city life. Number 1. Vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is a fantastic solution for maximizing space in urban environments. Utilize walls, fences, and balconies to create a vertical plant display. Install hanging planters, trellises, or modular wall system to grow a variety of plants vertically. Choose plants with the trailing or climbing habits such as EV tomatoes or climbing roses to add depth and visual interest. Gardens not only provide a lush green backdrop but also improve air quality and reduce noise levels. Number 2. Containers gardening. Container gardening is a versatile and accessible way to bring greenery to urban spaces. Use pot planters or even repurpose containers like buckets or crates to create your mini garden. Select plants that are suitable for container growing, such as herbs, salad green, or compact ornamental flowers. Arrange the containers creatively on balconies, windowsills, or rooftop gardens, transforming them into a colorful, thriving urban gardens. Number 3. Rooftop gardens. Make use of rooftop spaces by creating rooftop gardens. Transform flat rooftops into a green retreats by adding containers, raised beds, or even creating rooftop landscapes. Ensure proper waterproofing and drainage system and consider the bearing capacity. Plant a combination of ornamental plants, edible crops, and flowering shrubs to create a biodiverse ecosystem that offers beauty, food, and habitat for pollinators. Number 4. Community gardens. Engage with your community by joining and initiating a community garden project. Community gardens provide shared spaces where individuals or groups can grow their own produce and connect with like-minded gardeners. Collaborate on land sharing initiatives, rooftops gardens or alternate style plot to create a thriving urban garden that fosters community spirit and promotes sustainable living. Share knowledge, resources, and harvest while enjoying the social and educational benefits of gardening together. Number 5. Windowsill gardens. Don't overlook the potential of windowsills for urban gardening. Windowsill gardens are perfect for growing herbs, small flowering plants, or succulents. Utilize small pots, hanging baskets, or window boxes to create a greenhouses that bring nature indoors. Choose plants that thrive in limited sunlight and space, and enjoy the convenience of having fresh herbs or flowers within arm reach or culinary delights or visual appeal. Number 6. Edible landscaping. Combine beauty and functionality by incorporating edible plants into your urban landscape. Replace traditional ornamental plants with edible varieties such as kale, Swiss chard, or colorful peppers. Design edible borders or create dedicated raised beds for vegetables and herbs. This approach not only adds visual interest but also provides a sustainable source of fresh produce, promoting self-sufficiency and healthy eating in urban areas. Number 7. Green walls and living facades. Green walls or living facades offer a stunning visual display and help combat urban heat island effect. Install vertical planting on building facades or construct free standing green walls. Choose plants that thrive in vertical environments like ferns, mosses, and trailing vines. Green walls not only provide insulation and shade but also improve air quality and create a harmonious integration of nature into a urban architecture. Conclusion: urban gardening offers endless possibilities to transform concrete jungle into a lush green spaces. Whether through vertical gardening, container gardening, or rooftop gardens, these ideas allow city dwellers to reconnect with nature, promote sustainability, and enhance the aesthetic appeal of their surroundings. Embrace the great potential of urban gardening and make your mark in urban landscape by cultivating vibrant green spaces that bring joy and sense of tranquility to city life. Thank you for watching.